Bathed in soft moonlight, I stand alone, holding a small birthday cake with a single candle. The flame dances, shadows playing across my face as I whisper, "This would have been her 5th birthday." A photo captures a playful puppy, its eyes brimming with mischief and joy, a nostalgic echo of happy memories. Bathed in gentle light, a memory unfolds as I laugh. A puppy's playful tugs filling the room with warmth. The puppy's tail wags, a happy blur against the sun-drenched floor. Joyful barks echo through the room. A symphony of pure, unadulterated happiness. I softly extinguish the candle, releasing a delicate plume of smoke into the serene air. The smoke ascends, carrying a silent wish into the tranquil night. As the flame dies, I whisper, "Happy birthday, my love."